All week we've been following the Israelites through the desert. The rescue, the complaints, the miracles, the anger, the grace. Today we bring it into your world. 6 months since Victor left Riverside. 6 months since God's presence filled the rebuilt church. The community's growing. 70 people now. Some clean for months, some just starting. Matthew calls a meeting. Everyone gathers. He stands at the front with a notebook. We need structure, he says. Freedom without boundaries isn't freedom. It's chaos. So here's what we're doing. First, your body is a temple. We're not just getting clean from drugs. We're getting healthy. Period. He writes on the board, clean living rules. 1, fresh vegetables with every meal. I don't care if you don't like them. Eat them. Your brain needs nutrients to heal. Some people groan. Matthew ignores them. 2, protein. Every day. Chicken, beans, eggs, fish. Your body's been starved. Feed it real food. 3, exercise. 30 minutes minimum. Walk, run, do push-ups. I don't care. Move your body. The endorphins help with cravings. 4, sunlight and fresh air. Get outside every day. 15 minutes minimum. Your body needs it. 5, sleep schedule. 8 hours, same time every night. Your brain can't heal if you're not sleeping. 6, quiet time. 15 minutes every morning. Prayer, meditation, reading, whatever. But quiet, no phone, no TV, just you and God. Danny raises his hand. This sounds like a lot of rules. Matthew nods. It is, because staying clean isn't just about not using. It's about building a life that doesn't need drugs. These rules aren't punishment. They're protection. Elena speaks up. What about sugar? Caffeine? Some people are using energy drinks like crazy. Matthew considers. Good point. If you're using anything to numb out or escape, even legal stuff, it's a problem. Moderation. And if you can't moderate, cut it out. We're trying to hear God's voice clearly. Anything that clouds your mind has to go. He adds to the board, no substances that cloud your mind. That includes alcohol. I know it's legal, but for us, no, we're staying completely clean. No exceptions. Second, we need rhythm, a schedule, regular times we come together. He writes weekly. Every Saturday, Sabbath worship. We gather, we rest, we remember what God did. No working, no hustling, just rest and worship. Every Wednesday, recovery meeting, share your struggles, your victories, hold each other accountable. Mandatory for everyone in leadership. He writes, monthly, first Friday of every month, prayer and fasting. We fast from sunrise to sunset. Pray together, seek God, reset our focus. Someone asks, what if we can't fast? Health reasons. Then fast from something else. TV, social media, whatever pulls your attention from God. The point is intentional sacrifice and focus. He writes, quarterly, every 3 months, harvest celebration. We're starting a community garden. When we harvest the first vegetables, we celebrate. Share the food. Give thanks. Remember that God provides. Maria smiles. I like that. When do we start the garden? Next week. We've got land behind the church. We're turning it into a garden. Everyone contributes. Everyone harvests. We'll grow our own vegetables. Feed ourselves. Share with the neighborhood. He writes, annually. Once a year, the anniversary of Victor leaving, we celebrate Freedom Day. We remember where we came from, where God brought us, and we do baptisms. Speaking of which, Matthew says, Freedom Day is in the next few months. If anyone wants to get baptized, publicly declare you're starting fresh, washing away the past, talk to me. We're doing it at the river. Silence. Then Tommy raises his hand. I want to do it. Me too, says a woman in the back. Sarah, new to the community, 3 weeks clean. Others join in. By the end of the meeting, 15 people have signed up. Matthew smiles. Good. Freedom Day isn't just a party. It's a declaration. You're going public. Telling everyone, I'm done with the old life. I'm clean. I'm new. God did this. 3 weeks later, Marcus pulls Matthew aside after Wednesday recovery meeting. We have a problem. Matthew's stomach tightens. What kind of problem? I saw Kevin selling. Last night? Behind the church? Matthew closes his eyes. Kevin. Been with them 4 months. Seemed solid. Leading a small group. Helping with the garden. You sure? Positive. I saw the exchange. Money, baggy. It was weed. Not hard stuff. But still. Matthew's jaw sets. Where is he now? Left right after the meeting. Call him. Tell him I need to see him. Tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Here. Kevin shows up at 9, looks nervous, knows why he's here. Matthew doesn't waste time. Marcus saw you. Selling. Behind the church. Kevin's face goes pale. Tries to speak. Matthew raises his hand. Don't lie to me. Don't minimize it. I need the truth. Are you dealing? Kevin's shoulders sag. Yeah, just weed. Just to a few people. I needed money. Stop, I don't want excuses. How long? 2 weeks. Are you using? Kevin hesitates. Not the hard stuff, just smoking a little, to take the edge off. Matthew leans back, looks at him. You know what you've done? You brought uncleanness into this community. We're trying to build something holy, something set apart, and you brought drugs into the church. Literally. Kevin's crying now. I'm sorry, I messed up. I'll stop. You're out. What? You're out of leadership, out of the small group, out of all programs. You can't be here until you're clean. Kevin looks devastated. For how long? 30 days clean. No weed, no alcohol, nothing. 30 days sober, then we'll talk about restoration. But you need to be isolated right now. You're unclean, and I can't let you infect others. Can I still come to Sabbath service? Matthew considers. Yes, but you sit in the back. You don't serve. You don't lead. You don't have access to anyone vulnerable. You're quarantined. Understand? Kevin nods, wipes his eyes. I'm sorry. I know, but sorry isn't enough. You need to prove it. 30 days. Then we do a restoration ceremony, public. You confess. You commit. You get baptized again if needed. Then you're back in. What if I mess up again? Then you're out permanently. This is your second chance. There won't be a third. The community gathers at the river. Warm day, sun shining. 70 people on the bank. 15 about to be baptized. Matthew stands in the water, waist deep, waiting. Before the baptisms, he addresses the crowd. 1 year ago today, Victor left Riverside. God moved, powerfully, undeniably. He set us free. Since then, we've been learning what freedom means. It's not just being out of bondage. It's building a new life. A clean life, a holy life. We've established rules, not to control you, to protect you. Clean living, healthy bodies, clear minds, so you can hear God. We've established rhythms, weekly worship, recovery meetings, monthly fasting, quarterly harvests, because freedom needs structure, needs rhythm, needs community, and today we celebrate. We remember. We baptize those who want to publicly declare, I'm done with the old life. I'm starting fresh. God's making me new. He looks at the 15 waiting. Come on in. One by one, they wade into the water. Matthew takes each person, asks them, do you confess that Jesus is Lord? Do you renounce your old life? Do you commit to following him? Each one says yes. He lowers them into the water, holds them under, raises them up, dripping, gasping, smiling. Tommy goes under, comes up crying. I'm clean. I'm finally clean. Sarah goes under, comes up laughing, arms raised, shouting, one after another. 15 people, washed, renewed, declared clean. On the bank, people are cheering, crying, celebrating. Some are singing, some are praying. Matthew looks at them. His community, his people, still broken in places, still struggling, but moving forward, growing, healing. Kevin's there, last in line to be baptized. He has been clean for months. He is ready. He is here. After the baptisms, they gather in the church, share a meal, bread, juice, remembering. Matthew breaks the bread. This is how we remember. What we were, what God did, what we're becoming. They eat together, tell stories, share testimonies, laugh, cry, celebrate. Elena stands. I want to say something. A year ago, I thought we were done. When Matthew left and half of us relapsed, I thought it was over. But God didn't give up on us. And now look, 70 people, a garden growing, rules that protect us, rhythms that sustain us. This is real. This is lasting. People clap, agree. Someone shouts, Amen. Matthew stands. Next Freedom Day will be bigger, stronger. More people will be clean. More will be baptized. More will be free. Because God's not done with Riverside. He's just getting started. Matthew meets with Kevin. Matthew shows him the dated journal entries. Proof he stayed clean? Matthew checks with Marcus, Elena, others who've been watching. They confirm. Kevin's been clean, attending meetings, staying isolated, doing the work. Sabbath service. Matthew calls Kevin to the front. The whole community watching. Kevin broke our trust, brought drugs into this community. We isolated him. 30 days. He's completed his time, stayed clean. Now he wants restoration. He looks at Kevin. Tell them. Kevin faces the community, voice shaking. I messed up. I was dealing, using. I brought uncleanness into this place. I'm sorry. I've been clean for months. I want back in. I want to serve. I want to be part of this again. Matthew asks the community, do you receive him? Do you forgive him? Do you restore him? Silence. Then Marcus stands. I forgive him. I receive him back. Elena stands. I forgive him. One by one, people stand. Forgiving, receiving, restoring. Matthew puts his hand on Kevin's shoulder. You're clean. You're restored. Welcome back. Kevin breaks down, crying. People come forward, hug him, pray over him, welcome him home. Israel had laws about clean and unclean, what to eat, how to live, how to stay separate, how to stay holy. When someone became unclean, they were isolated. When they were healed, they were restored, with ceremony, with blood, with oil, with community. Riverside has rules about clean living, what to consume, how to treat your body, how to stay separate from what destroys you. When someone brings uncleanness in, they're isolated. When they're clean again, they're restored. With confession, with accountability, with baptism, with community. Different time, different methods, same principle. Holiness requires boundaries. Freedom requires structure. Community requires accountability. And when you mess up, there's a way back. It's not easy. It's not quick, but it's real. God makes a way for the unclean to become clean. Always has, always will. Tomorrow, Sunday reflection. See you then.